Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to delete a video on Likee. It's very easy. So if you have a video uploaded, you can always delete it from your Likee account. So let me show you how to do it. First step, we are going to upload a video and then I'll show you how to delete it. All right, so if you look at the bottom area of your screen, you're going to find the plus sign right there. So what you have to do is to go ahead and click on that plus sign, and then you need to enable some permissions if you are doing this for the first time. All right, so we are going to click on the upload icon at the bottom right corner, and then what I just have to do is to select a video from my device just like this, and then I can add text, I can add filter, and also I can edit this video before posting. All right, so I can just go ahead and click on next, and then the next thing I want to do is to add description, and then I can add hashtag, and I can change some settings or add some settings. As you can see right here, I can choose who can view the video. All right, could be private or for everyone to see. All right, so that's it. So now you can just go ahead and click on post. All right, you can turn on location service, and then this will start posting. All right, so it's posted. So let's see how we can actually delete the video we just posted. So if you want to delete the video you just posted, what you have to do is to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you find the video that we just posted right here. Okay, so what I just have to do now is to click on that video, and then if you look at the right hand side of your screen, you find this share button right there. There's a share button right there. So what you have to do is to click on the share button, and then you find these options at the bottom area of your screen. Just scroll right, and then you find this delete icon right here. So what you have to do is to click on the delete, and you get the option to confirm that you want to delete this video. Click on that, and the video will be removed from your profile. So that's it on how you can actually delete a video from your Likee account. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.